Stepping into a construction site once the builders leave can feel overwhelming. Dust in the air, debris on the ground, and the daunting task of transforming the chaos into a clean, polished environment. This is where post-construction cleaning begins. And when done right, it's not just about tidying up, it's about safety, presentation, and professional delivery. Let's walk through a proven approach to managing post-construction cleanup, from organising your crew to using detailed checklists for both interiors and exteriors. First, let's talk about organisation. Efficient post-construction cleaning starts with a structured team. Assign clear roles based on strengths and experience. Use colour-coded supplies to prevent cross-contamination and schedule cleaning in waves, starting with high surfaces and working your way down. Keep communication open and flexible to adjust as needed. The most effective teams follow a detailed cleaning checklist, not just for quality control, but for efficiency, accountability, and compliance. A thorough checklist ensures nothing gets missed, resources are allocated correctly, and progress can be tracked. This structured workflow gives your client confidence that every detail has been handled. Now, let's move into the interior. After construction wraps up, a meticulous interior clean is critical, not just for appearance, but for health and safety. Dust and debris can pose respiratory risks, and leftover materials can create hazards. Your checklist should include dusting all surfaces, including fans, vents, window ledges and baseboards, vacuuming carpets, corners, and any tight spaces where dust settles, removing construction debris like nails, staples, or wood shavings, polishing kitchen counters, cleaning cabinets inside and out, scrubbing bathrooms, sinks, tiles, and fixtures to a shine. Every space should be touched, from reflective faucets to freshly painted trims. These final details make all the difference between just finished and truly ready for use. Now, don't overlook the exterior. Curb appeal is just as important as clean floors. Exterior cleaning includes proper disposal of waste, with hazardous items handled according to local regulations. Sweep or pressure wash walkways, clean up the landscaping, and remove paint splatters or dust from walls and surfaces. And always follow safety protocols. Use protective gear, post signage, and ensure crews are trained for outdoor hazards, especially when working at height. When you manage post-construction cleaning the right way, the result is more than a clean site. It's a professional finish that reflects the quality of the build itself. Of course, managing all of this can be time-consuming. That's why many project managers choose to partner with professionals who specialise in post-construction cleaning. At Orgies, we offer more than janitorial work. We deliver project-ready spaces. Our experienced teams work quickly, safely, and with precision, so you can transition seamlessly into the next phase of your build or handover. Whether it's a commercial renovation, a new development, or a multi-unit site, we understand what's required and bring the tools, processes, and people to meet that standard. So if your construction project is complete, but the cleaning still looms, don't take it on alone. Let us help you deliver a space that shines with the same level of professionalism that built it.